Hello. I am Mr. Wealth, your only wealth buddy, back with my weekly wealth nugget. I have discussed 3 put of 6 signs you need to do your financial planning even if you don't want. In this nugget I will discuss further 2 signs. 4. I often panic, not knowing what to do every time the markets move. While you may have a basic understanding of how the financial world works, you know that you can't manage your money entirely on your own. You don't know how to invest your money, and you're scared of losing it all. Luckily, there is a solution. A good financial planner can help you understand how to keep your money safe, and make it grow at the same time. You'll also gain the necessary confidence to make the decisions that are right for you, without panicking. Financial planners offer a variety of services. Some only help you manage your current finances, and others help you plan for your future. If you tend to panic, not knowing what to do every time the markets move, it's worth it to have a financial planner on your side. A financial planner can help you come up with a plan to deal with your anxiety and help you create a lasting investment plan. A good financial planner will help you set up multiple streams of income to help you prepare yourself for the unexpected, such as job loss or medical complications. 5. Planning for long-term goals, retirement, etc. requires a certain level of knowledge. Many people are planning for their retirement but they may not know the right ways to do so. Planning for your retirement involves a certain level of knowledge, and if you are not properly educated on the subject, you may find yourself planning for your retirement, but in a way that will actually put yourself in danger of running out of money and having to rely on government assistance. I get asked this question a lot by friends and family: should I start saving for retirement? How much should I save? When should I start? These questions can be difficult to answer because there are a lot of factors to consider. It's important to realize that it's never too early to start planning for retirement, but it's also important to understand that there are some things you need to know before you jump in. A good place to start is by working with a financial planner for your long-term financial goals such as retirement. Remaining and last sign, you need to do your financial planning even if you don't want. I will discuss in next weekly nugget.